Hello students, we are moving inside the chapter pair of linear equation in two variable, linear equations in two variables. Now in this chapter we will discuss about some applications to problems based on articles and their cost. So there are some word problems based on the linear equation in two variable. In this first type is that application to problems based on articles and their cost. So we discuss here some problems in which the articles cost, number of articles and their individual cost are given, and in their composite cost is given. So we want to find the values of individual cost of the each article. Okay. So the first question is that 4 chairs and 3 tables cost rupees 2100 and 5 chairs and 2 tables cost rupee 1750. Find the cost of a chair and a table. So the first we make the pair of linear equation in two variable, and after it we solve by any method, which graphical method, elimination method, substitution method, or cross multiplication method as per the demand of question. So now let cost of one chair be rupee X and cost of one table be rupee Y. We are assuming here that cost of one chair be rupee X and cost of one table be rupee Y. Then according to question, the first statement is saying that 4 chairs and 3 tables cost. So 4x plus 3y, because cost of one chair is x, so cost of 4 chair become 4x, plus cost of one table is rupee y, so cost of 3 tables become 3y, is equal to, given here, 2100. This is equation number first. And second statement of the question, and 5 chairs and 2 tables, 5x plus 2y equal to 1750. So most important work of this question now become complete. Now we solve these two equations by using any method we are studied earlier. So now I am use elimination method. So equation first multiply by 5 and equation second multiply by 4. Now equating the coefficient. So now we have 20x plus we have now 20x plus 15y equal to 500, 500, 500, 10,500. Similarly, second equation multiply by 4, so we have 20x plus 8y equal to 4, 5 20, 4 7 28, 30, 4 4 7, 7,000. Subtract now. Subtract minus. We have here 7y equal to 3,500. So now we have y equal to 500. Put in any one equation, first or second. So put in first now. So we have 4x plus 3 into 500 is equal to 2100. After simplifying, we have 4x plus 1500 equal to 2100. 4x equal to 600, x equal to 150. Now cost of one chair, rupee 150. Cost of one table, rupee 500. So this is the solution of this question. Now I am taking a second problem. The taxi charges in a city comprise of a fixed charge together with a charge for the distance covered. For a journey of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 75, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 110. What will be a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? So now let fixed charge be rupee x and charge for each kilometer be rupee y. Okay, let fixed charge be rupee x and charge for each kilometer be rupee y. Then the charge for the distance covered for a journey of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 75. Then x plus 10y, because the journey is traveled by 10 km and total payment become 75. And again for a journey of 15 kilometers, now again x plus 15y equal to 110 rupees. Okay, so now we have the equations in x and y format. Now we solve them. So first minus second, equation first minus equation second. So we have 10y minus 15y equal to 75 minus 110. Now we have minus 5y equal to minus 35. So y equal to 7. Put in any equation first or second. So we have x plus 10 into 7 equal to 75. So x plus 70 equal to 75. Now we have x equal to 5. So fixed charge. Now fixed charge rupee 5 and charge for per kilometer equal to rupee 7. Then charge for a journey of 25 km equal to x plus 25y, that means 5 plus 7 into 25, 5 plus 175, that means 180. So rupee 180. So this is the charge for paying for the journey of 25 kilometers. Now next question. A and B each have certain number of oranges. A says to B, if you give me 10 of your oranges, I will have twice the number of oranges left with you. Then B replies, if you give me 10 of your oranges, I will have the same number of oranges as left with you. Find the number of oranges with A and B respectively. Let number of oranges with A is equal to X and number of oranges with B equal to Y. Then A says to B, if you give me 10 of your oranges, that means X become now X plus 10, Y become now Y minus 10, and according to question, if you give me 10 of your oranges, I will have twice. That means this is the condition. When 10 mangoes given by the B to A, so A become X plus 10, B become Y minus 10, and equation become X plus 10 is twice to the Y minus 10. So after simplifying, we have X plus 10 equal to 2Y minus 20. That means X minus 2Y equal to minus of 30. This is equation number first. And next statement. Now B replies, if you give me 10. So now B become Y plus 10, A become X minus 10. B replies, if you give me 10 of your oranges, I will have the same number. So both are become same now. So now equation become X minus Y equal to minus of 20. So now we have equation first and equation second, and we solve. So subtract now second from first. So X and X cancel out, this become minus 2Y, or you can write it X minus 2Y equal to minus 30, X minus Y equal to minus 20. So we are subtracting, so minus plus plus, you have minus Y equal to minus 10 or Y equal to, put in first or second, first or equation second. So now you have X minus 2 into 10 equal to minus 30. X is 2 into now according to equation, X plus 10 is become Y minus 10. So X plus 10 equal to 2Y minus 20. X minus 2Y equal to minus 30. It is correct. Now by according to second statement, Y plus 10 is equal to X minus 10. Both are equal. So now this becomes X minus Y equal to X minus Y equal to 20. So this is the correct answer now. X minus Y equal to 20. So minus Y equal to minus 50. So Y equal to 50. So X equal to 100 minus 30, that means 70. So X equal to 70 y equal to 50. If you want to verify the answer, so here take care. If we take 10 from there, this become 80, this become 40, so 80 become 2 times of 40. Now if 10 transfer from there to there, so this becomes 60, also this becomes 60, so both are the now equal. So these are the number of mangoes for each person A and B have. Now we will discuss about a new type of this type of problems. What problems? Application to problems based on numbers. In this type of variety, we discuss about the questions which are having 2-digit numbers formed by the using the unit digit and tens digit, and after reversing the order, and number formed after the reversing the order, and some of the digits using to form the number, and difference of the digits using the form of the 2-digit number. So the first question is that now sum of two numbers is 35 and their difference is 13. Find the numbers. So let here let number be x and y. Then x plus y equal to 35, because the sum of the number is 35, and x minus y equal to 13 there. Adding, use elimination method, coefficient are same in x and y, so adding equation first and equation second. So now we have 2x equal to 48. So x equal to 24. From first 24 plus y equal to 35, so y equal to 11. So x equal to 24, y equal to 11. These are the required numbers. If we have the sum 24 plus 11, so we get 35. This is the verification. And 24 minus 11, so now we have 13. So these are the number whose sum is 35 and the difference is 13. Now I am taking another problem. In a 2-digit number, the units digit is twice the tens digit. If 27 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. Find the numbers. In a 2-digit numbers, the units digit is twice the tens digit. If 27 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. Now, how can we solve this type of questions? Let unit digit be y and tens digit be x. Then number will be 10x plus y, because unit digit be y and tens digit be x. Now, according to question, the unit digit is twice the tens. Unit digit twice the tens, then be y equal to 2x. Equation number first, and number formed after interchange the place. After interchange the place of digit be 10y plus x. Original number 10x plus y, in which y is the unit digit and x is the tens digit. After interchange the digits, the new number become 10y plus x. Now, according to question, if 27 is added to the number, the digit interchange their places. Find the number. Now, and 10x plus y added with 27. Now this become 10y plus x. Original number is 10x plus y added with 27. The digit interchange the place. So this equation now become, after solving, we have 10x minus x, that means 9x, y minus 10y minus 9y equal to plus minus 27. So finally x minus y equal to minus 3. This is equation number 2. From first, y equal to 2x, put in second. So x minus 2x equal to minus 3, minus x equal to minus 3, x equal to 3, so y equal to 6. From first, y equal to 6. Then number will be 10x plus y, that means 10 into 3 plus 6, this is 36. Okay, if 36 added with first, the unit digit is double to the tens digit. So verification of the first equation. Now if this number added with 27, this becomes 63. Again, after interchanging the digit, we have the number 63. So now number becomes 36. Now I am taking another problem. The sum of a two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging the digit is 132. If 12 added to the number, the new number become 5 times the sum of the digits. Find the numbers. So now start the solution. Let in all questions which are coming with two-digit numbers, first we assume unit digit and tens digit, and remember that which digit you assume as a unit digit and which digit you assume as a tens digit. Now let unit digit be x and tens digit be y. Then number equal to unit digit be x, tens digit be y, then number 10y plus x. After reversing the order, number be 10x plus y. Then the sum of a two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging the digit, 132. So now 10y plus x plus 10x plus y. This is the first number. After interchanging is equal to 132. So now this becomes 11x plus 11y equal to 132. Divide by 11. So we have x plus y equal to 12, or y equal to 12 minus x as equation first. And next, if 12 added to the number and 12 plus original number is 10y plus x if 12 added to the number, the new number become 5 times. Sorry, 12 added to the number, the new number become 12 plus 10y plus x. This is the new number. This become 5 times the sum of the digits, that means x plus y. The original number is 10y plus x. When added by 12, this number become 5 times the sum of the digits x plus y. After simplifying, we have 12 plus 10y plus x equal to 5x plus 5y. Now we have 4x minus 5y equal to 12. This is equation number second. From first, y equal to 12 minus x, put in second. So we have 4x minus 5, the value of y is 12 minus x equal to 12. 4x minus 60 plus 5x equal to 12. So we have 9x equal to 72. So x equal to 8. X equal to 8. Then from first, y equal to 4. So number B. 10 into 4 plus 8, that means 48. So here, first we take unit place digit bx, tens digit place digit by. The number become 10y plus x because the y is a tens digit here. After interchanging the digit, we have the new number 10x plus y. The sum of the digits become 132. Arrange them, divide by 11. Divide by 11. We have this equation. Now y equal to 12 minus x. In the solving this question, we apply the substitution method. Now, second statement, 12 added to the number B, 10y plus x added to 12, it becomes 5 times the sum of the digits. After simplifying, we have the equation 4x minus 5y equal to 12. Put the value of y 12 minus x in this equation, so we have the value of x is 8 and y equal to 4, so original number becomes 48. If we want to verification, so 48 after interchanging the digits, this become 84. So 48 plus 84 becomes 132. Now if we add 12 in this number, so 48 plus 12 become 60, and 60 now become 5 times of 8 plus 4, 12. So this is the verification of this question.